Good morning, friends. Today we are discuss about some chemical reactions which are takes place in alcohol and phenol due to either cleavage of OH bond or either cleavage of CO bond. So for that we have two choice or two possibilities. So I will write each and every in sequence. So here alcohol having a dual nature. Sometime it will act as a nucleophile and sometime it will act as electrophile. So having dual character, sometime it will act as a nucleophile or other time should be act as a nucleophile. So I will discuss about first one, nucleophile. So when alcohol act as nucleophile, which type of chemical reaction that we get? So this is the structure of alcohol, in which oxygen having two non-bonding pair of electrons which are present on it. Now when such type of alcohol is react with positive charge carbon, means carbocation, then at that time this negative charge is attract toward positive charge carbon, so form ROH as it is, having two electron as it is, but now this oxygen is connect with this positive charge carbon having its 3 valency. So this is the intermediate. Look at the intermediate, oxygen molecule having 3 valency, that's why it acquire partial positive charge. Now this molecule on lose of H plus atom, means suppose it will lose H atom, then it form ROC, means such a type of product. So I will write this is the structure of product. So this is the structure of product. So we have complete reaction like this. So this is the reaction when alcohol act as a nucleophile. Now we have second choice. If alcohol will act as a electrophile, then which type of reaction that we have? So first of all we have to write alcohol and react with acid. So number 2, when alcohol act as electrophile, this is the short symbol of electrophile, this is the complete word. So this electrophile, so I will write alcohol RCH2OH, this is the alcohol. When it is react with acid, acid means H plus ion, so oxygen gets this H plus ion and form positive charge species RCH2 OH2 having positive charge. This is called as a protonated alcohol. So here I will write the name of compound, it is protonated alcohol. Now this protonated alcohol is on treatment with a nucleophile, like I will write in separate manner, Br minus, this is number A, this is reaction B. When Br minus, this nucleophile is react with earlier one protonated alcohol, so RCH2 OH2 plus, so this negative charge will attack on this carbon, and due to that H2O molecule is depart from the reaction medium. So we get a product like RCH2. Now this carbon is connected with Br with loss of HOH in form of water. So here we have 2 points, we have 2 summary. When alcohol acts as an electrophile, CO bond to you. So I will write here, I will write a hint over here. number 1, if alcohol act as nucleophile, we will discuss about first one. Then OH bond should be cleaved. And number 2, if alcohol act as electrophile, means second reaction, then it will cleave CO bond. So here we have two type of cleavage that we learn during, if it will act as a nucleophile, then OH bond is cleaved, like here. Yes, this is OH bond is cleaved, so hydrogen is departed. If it will act as a electrophile, then CO bond is cleaved, means this is the product. Now we are completely discuss in a both type of cleavage, OH bond as well as CO bond. So today we will discuss about first one, cleavage of OH bond. So in exam question should be appear like write the reaction which involve cleavage of OH bond. So you have to mention a complete theory which will explain by me. Now here it having certain chemical reaction in a cleavage of OH bond. First one, that acidic character of alcohol and phenol. Now we will discuss first one, acidic character of alcohol and phenol. Alcohol, so generally alcohol is a ROH. When it is react with active metal, we have several active metal like lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, etc. and aluminium. So when it is react with active metals, this is the cleavage of OH bond. So here I will cleave OH bond, and due to cleavage of OH bond, RO minus species is generated. It is react with sodium having positive charge to get RONA. Means it will give sodium alkoxide with loss of half H2 gas. So when alcohol is react with active metal, it will lose dihydrogen. A second reaction is about, before its reaction we will mention an example over here. So if I will mention 6 moles tertiary butyl alcohol, this is tertiary butyl alcohol. When it is react with 2 mole of aluminium, then cleavage of OH bond. So here I have 2 mole of aluminium which is connect with oxygen. So I have product 2 times CH3 C CH3 CH3 O as it is. Now oxygen is connect with a metal to form Al. But now make sure actually aluminium having 2 mole, it is satisfied over here, so we have to make bracket over here. How many times tertiary butyl group 6? So 2 3s are 6 with loss of total 6 hydrogen in form of 3 H2 gas. So here 3 H2 gas is released from the reaction. So name of this compound is tertiary butyl alcohol, and this is aluminium tertiary butoxide. So this is the reaction scheme which involve cleavage of OH1. Cleavage of OH in general scheme, in example cleavage of OH. Now we will discuss about phenol, a same reaction scheme for phenol. In case of phenol, a same reaction scheme should be explained with the help of phenolic OH group. This is structure of phenol, in which oxygen having two non-bonding pair of electron which are donated over here. When it is react with sodium metal, we are discuss about cleavage of OH1. So O minus is connect with Na to form ONA, means this is called as a sodium plus phenyl plus oxide. Combined it is called as a sodium phenoxide. It is called as a sodium phenoxide with loss of hydrogen in form of 1/2 H2 gas. So it is the complete reaction scheme about phenol, cleavage of OH. But we have other reaction scheme also, in which phenol is react with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide having two ions, Na plus OH minus. So here H plus is react with OH minus to lose water molecule. So we have reagent or product like ONA, means it is also called as a sodium phenoxide. So now we have summary of above discussed reaction, that our alcohol, which is ROH, when react with base which having electron pair and negative charge. So we have discussed about the cleavage of OH bond. So if OH bond should be cleaved in such manner that alcohol donate H plus atom, if a compound will donate H plus atom, it will consider as a acidic compound according to Bronsted concept of acid and base. This base will gain H plus atom, so it will form RO minus with this compound. So this is alkoxide. So acid will form conjugate base, and base will form conjugate acid. So here we will get conjugate acid and base. Now we will discuss about a complete acidic character of alcohol. So number 2, acidity of alcohol. This is the name of topic. Now in a general, we know that this is the structure of alcohol, means RCH2OH. This is primary alcohol. Now about secondary alcohol, RCHOHR, and tertiary RCRROH. This is 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohol, which are separately indicated over here. Now we know that this is the alkyl group, means it having a plus I effect. So according to plus I effect of alkyl group, it will donate electrons, and electrons are present on this OH bond. So on OH bond, electron density increase. So I will mention a point over here. R group donate electrons according to plus I effect. Due to plus I effect, electron density increase on OH bond, and if electron density increase on OH bond becomes less polar, and if bond become less polar, then its acidity should be decreased. So this is all about acidic character of alcohol. Now, on the base of these points, here secondary alkyl group, a secondary alcohol in which more number of alkyl group means more electron. In case of tertiary, it will donate excess electron. So what is the moral? Which one is a more acidic, which one is a least acidic? So acidic strength is primary alcohol is more acidic than secondary alcohol than tertiary alcohol. So this is the acidic strength. So short scheme. As the number of alkyl group increase, its acidity decrease. So I will write over here, as number of R group increase, acidity of that alcohol is decreased. So you have to remember like this. So according to this short scheme or our discussion, tertiary alcohol, which is least acidic compared to secondary, compared to primary, means primary alcohol is more acidic. So if we are discuss in case of ethanol alcohol, that instead of R, if I will write a alkyl group CH3, then this is the example of ethanol. So ethanol is more acidic compared to tertiary butyl alcohol. So now this is all about acidic character of alcohol. So a same manner we will discuss about acidic character of phenol, but we have to make sure in case of phenol, it involve aromatic ring, means due to presence of aromatic ring, it require or it having a several resonating structure, and resonating structure make it very stable and many strong. Now we are discuss about its assignment question or assignment topic regarding discuss theories. So here we have assignment number 13 on the base of discuss topic. Question number 1, it is a primary alcohol is more acidic than secondary and tertiary alcohol. Explain. So in this question you have to write each and every alcohol like primary, second and tertiary on the base of its structure, and then on the base of plus I effect you have to explain this question answer. Now about the reactions of sodium metal with alcohol and phenol. So here you have to write reaction with only sodium. Do not write reaction with aluminum, because demand of our question is reaction with only sodium. And here make sure you have to mention acidic character of alcohol and phenol, because with the help of sodium it will release H atom, means in form of dihydrogen gas. So here you have to write both points. Number 3, alcohol having dual character. How can you justify it? So our starting point of this chapter, this topic is alcohol act as a nucleophile and electrophile. So here you have to write two reaction scheme, means first general reaction scheme, then its example, second general reaction scheme, then its example. So here you do not have to write any explanation in words, simply you have to write two general reaction with two examples. And the last one, that cleavage of OH bond in alcohol. So it is quite similar with question number 2. So it is different type of question but having the same answer.